Imagine you are standing on a road, looking at a little boy riding his bicycle. He starts pedaling and moves forward. You decide to measure how fast he is moving. Velocity is simply a way of telling how fast something moves in a certain direction. We use this formula: V equals change in s divided by change in t, or V equals dS divided by dt. Where V is velocity, which tells us how fast something is moving. S is displacement, which is the change in position. T is time, which tells us how long it takes to move. Delta, or the triangle symbol, means change in. Let's imagine that you take out a stopwatch and measure that the boy covers 20 meters in 4 seconds. His velocity would be V equals 20 meters divided by 4 seconds, which equals 5 meters per second. This means he is moving 5 meters every second in a straight line. A simple exercise with step-by-step solution. The question: a car travels 100 meters in 10 seconds. What is its velocity? Step-by-step solution. Identify given values. Displacement s equals 100 meters. Time t equals 10 seconds. Use the velocity formula. V equals s divided by t. Substituting the values. V equals 100 divided by 10. Calculate. V equals 10 meters per second. Final answer: the car is moving at 10 meters per second. Real-life example of velocity, a flight journey. Now imagine you are sitting in an airplane, looking out the window. You hear the captain say, "Ladies and gentlemen, we will be traveling at 800 kilometers per hour and will reach our destination in 5 hours. You decide to check if the numbers make sense using the velocity formula. VA equals S divided by T, which equals 4,000 kilometers divided by 5 hours. V equals 800 kilometers per hour. That means the plane is covering 800 kilometers every hour. This concept of velocity is important in real life. Pilots use velocity to calculate arrival times. Traffic police use it to check if cars are speeding. Athletes use it to measure running speed. Scientists use it to study how fast planets move. So the next time you are in a car, on a bike, or even walking, remember, you are always moving with a velocity.